Most people work out. Nothing changes. They sweat. They push. They try harder. Still, the same body. Here's the truth. It's not laziness. It's the way you train. Your body doesn't reward effort. It rewards signals. And most people send noise. They copy workouts made for athletes. Bodies on steroids. Lives without stress. That's mistake 1. They change routines every week. New plan. New hope. No adaptation. That's mistake 2. They train hard. Then sleep badly. Eat randomly. Stay stressed. Recovery never happens. That's mistake 3. Here's what actually works. Repeat the same movements. With control. With enough rest. Long enough for your body to trust it. Extreme feels productive. Consistency creates change. Most people don't fail at fitness. They quit repeating the right signal. If nothing is changing, look at what you repeat. Subscribe for simple health truths that actually work.